Hi, in this quick tutorial, let's install Strapi. Copy the installation command. Before installing Strapi, you need to know that Strapi need even version of Node.js because it's Strapi's requirement. You can read the documentation if you want to know more about Strapi. Let's copy the command and rename the project. I'm going to rename it Strapi tutorial. You can choose whatever you want. Type Y. Select quick start recommended. And you can skip this part, we don't need it right now. And you can see it's started installing dependencies, and you can see various command npm run develop start build deploy strapi. Mostly we use npm run develop in development mode, and this command will start automatically when you install strapi first time. And you can see it started compiling our source code. And now click on this link http localhost. Before moving forward, we need to know that at least we need one super user account in order to access Strapi's admin panel. So let's create an super user admin account. And you can see the nice looking dashboard of Strapi, and you can see various options like content manager, content builder, deploy, media library. By default Strapi comes with user collection type, so let's create another collection type called articles. And choose text field and name it title, and make it required field if you want, and add another field. Choose text type, and this time long text, and name it body, and click on save. And you can see the collection type has been created. Now add some dummy data by going to content manager, in the next part of this tutorial we will see how to fetch this data using Postman. Till then, bye and take care.